Best Tech Gadgets 2025? This video unveils the top 5 must-have tech gadgets that are revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. Want to get your hands on these incredible gadgets? Check out the links in the description below for the best deals and snag them before they sell out. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2. This rugged smartwatch boasts incredible durability, advanced health tracking, and unparalleled performance. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Experience the future of smartphones with this foldable marvel, seamlessly transitioning from phone to tablet. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones provide an unparalleled audio experience, immersing you in crystal-clear sound and noise-canceling bliss. Number 4. Google Pixel 7a offers flagship-level performance and camera capabilities at an unbelievably affordable price. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with this compact yet powerful drone. These top tech gadgets of 2025 are game changers in their respective categories, offering cutting-edge features and incredible value. Don't miss out on the future of tech. From smartwatches to smartphones and everything in between, these gadgets will elevate your tech game to the next level. Stay ahead of the curve and embrace the latest innovations with these top picks. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking for the best gadgets of 2025, this video has you covered. Remember to check the links below for the best places to buy.